100 push-ups a day for a month. Let's get into the video and understand how push-ups affect your body, or if it's good or bad for you to do 100 push-ups daily. Would you build your muscles or gain strength, or will lose weight? So, push-up is a conditioning exercise performed in a prone position, by raising and lowering the body with the straightening and bending of the arms, while keeping the back straight and supporting the body on the hands and toes. First, as a beginner, you will see positive changing in you. If you're a beginner and you want to start losing weight, doing push-ups, or doing something every single day, that is awesome. Just taking action is a great way to get going, and push-ups are not super intense, so it's a great way to get your body acclimated to physical exercise as opposed to jumping on a bench press. If you're a total beginner at first, your muscles would be really sore from all the pushing. In the second week, you would start feeling changes in your arms, chest and core muscles. You could gain some strength and see a nice increase in your upper body muscle tone. In the standard push-up, the following muscles are targeted: chest muscles, or pectorals; shoulders, or deltoids; back of your arms, or triceps; abdominals; the ing muscles directly under your armpit, called the serratus anterior. Push-ups may also be hard if you lack core strength. Keeping your core engaged, the whole movement will make it a lot easier. People with weak core strength may need to train this as well to improve their push-up. So in this way, you can also overtrain your chest and triceps. If doing a 100 push-ups is hard for you, then your muscles are not strong enough and will need some recovery afterward. For maximum strength gains, it's best to let a muscle group recover for at least 48 hours. If you keep tearing those muscle fibers, you might only overtrain them, get bored, and maybe even risk an injury. If 100 push-ups is not hard for you, then it will just be a short muscle endurance workout for you. It wouldn't overtrain or even pump your muscles significantly. It would be a waste of time or a nice warm-up. Whether you're a beginner or not, focusing on one type of exercise is not a good idea. For overall muscle development, a good workout program aims to target all major muscle groups for building a functional balance. Push-ups target the anterior part of your body, and you need to train your back, too, even if you can't see it easily in the mirror. The other thing about doing push-up is that you get better at doing push-ups. Before you get excited, let's make it clearer. You would get better at doing a 100 push-ups. That's pretty much it. Don't expect to magically be able to do one-arm push-ups or something like that. A 100 push-ups is not a lot, especially when you divide it into sets. However, if you can't do it yet, well then, you'd get stronger. But if you already can do a 100 push-ups, even in a couple of sets, then it's not much of a benefit. If you want to activate your whole body, do these 4 exercises along with it to activate your whole body: push-ups, pull-ups, dips, and squats to activate all major muscle groups. That's way you can see best results in overall strength, fitness, and even looks. But how much progress you see will depend on your nutrition. So don't screw it up. Now let's talk about some tips to follow while doing push-up. When performing a push-up, keep your back straight and your core engaged. Your butt should be down, not lifted. Your body should form a straight line. Don't arch your back or let your body side down. I hope you guys got much knowledge about push-up and what are the effects of doing it daily. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe the channel. Also press bell icon for further information.